Hello second grade, and welcome to today's lesson, which is going to be about folktales and retelling a story, which connect to your story today, Abuelo and the Three Bears. It's a retelling of the classic folktale Goldilocks and the Three Bears, which I think most of you have read before, but if not, you should look that up beforehand because it will help you make some great connections when comparing and contrasting. So a folktale they're old tales passed down over time through storytelling. And when you read Abuelo and the Three Bears, look for animal characters that talk and act like humans, author's purpose, so are you entertaining, explaining, which one's it going to be? The beginning, middle, and end of the story, and how pictures and words help you understand what happens. So this story is full of great illustrations and a really fun story. The story is also kind of a cultural tale that kind of spins it in the lens of another culture, and they have some other words in Spanish in the story. So I was going to read a little bit of the glossary so it'll help you out as you dive in. So abuelo means grandfather, osito means little bear, frijoles means beans, buenos dias means good morning, ay means oh, trencitas means little braids, and then they have tortillas and salsa, which we've seen and hopefully eaten because they are delicious. So when we retell the story at the end, you're going to follow the retell structure, which we've talked about a lot, where you go first, next, then, last, and you want to share to somebody what happened in the story at the beginning, middle, and end without saying the whole story word for word over again. You're going to use your own words to tell the story. You're going to use specific details, and you're going to tell how the words and pictures helped you. So if I'm telling a story, the beginning will say, here's the intro, here are my characters. Then you might say, next, here's the problem in the story. And then this is how they solved it, or what they tried to do. And finally, when you say the end of the story, you're going to share how they solved the problem, what happened in the end. This is a great skill to have, and I can't wait to see how you retell Abuelo and the Three Bears. All right, until next time, second grade, enjoy your story.